If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you enable the Automatically Apply Credits toggle switch option in the Automation section of the Advanced category in the Account and Settings window and save your changes, then QuickBooks Online automatically applies existing customer credits to the next invoice you create for that customer. It does this by adding the new invoice to the previous overpayment or prepayment you recorded in the Receive Payment window, which you can see if you open the previous payment in this window. However, if you need to manually apply customer credits in QuickBooks Online, first ensure the Automatically Apply Credits toggle switch option in the Automation section of the Advanced category in the Account and Settings window is toggled to the Off position, and then save your changes. To then manually apply the customer credit to an invoice you have created, click the plus new button in the navigation bar, and then select the Receive Payment command to open the Receive Payment window. Select the customer with the outstanding invoice and the unapplied credit from the Customer dropdown. QuickBooks Online then shows the selected invoice in the Outstanding Transactions list and the selected credit in the Credits list. The amount of the credit should be applied to the outstanding invoice. As usual, you can check or uncheck the checkboxes to the left of any invoices or credits listed in the page to check or uncheck them and change the amounts shown in their corresponding payment column. Double-check that the payment amounts shown for the invoice or invoices, the credit or credits, and the amount currently received in the Amount Received field in the Receive Payment window are all correct, and change them if needed. When finished, click one of the buttons in the toolbar at the bottom of the page to save the payment and apply the customer credit to the selected invoice or invoices. Separately, if a customer has a credit that will not be used in the future against any invoices, you can create a credit memo for the customer and issue them a refund check for the credit amount. Creating credit memos and issuing refund checks is covered in the following chapter. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.